Hey everyone, welcome back to Utco. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for every developer. Time management. Yes, is to be a more productive than before. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, mastering time management can significantly boost your productivity and reduce stress. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why time management is so important for developers. As developers, we're often juggling multiple projects, debugging, learning new technologies, and sometimes even collaborating across different time zones. Poor time management can lead to missed deadlines, burnout, and a drop in code quality. So, effective time management helps you stay organized, meet deadlines, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. It also allows for more time to innovate and improve your coding skills. The first step is managing your time effectively is setting clear priorities. Here's how you can do it. First, identify your goals. Start by identifying your long-term and short-term goals. What do you want to achieve this week, this month, or this year? So I recommend you to find SMART goals. So this is the technique that I am using now. Second, break down tasks. Once you have your goals, break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes large projects less overwhelming and more achievable. Third, prioritize tasks using methods like Eisenhower matrix to prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. Focus on high priority tasks first. As you can see, the Eisenhower matrix helps you categorize tasks into 4 quadrants. The first is important and urgent, so just do it. Second is important but not urgent, so schedule it. Not important but urgent, just wait. But not important and not urgent, so eliminate it. So this way you can tackle what's most crucial first and avoid getting bogged down by less important tasks. Next up is time blocking and scheduling. Time blocking is a technique where you allocate specific blocks of time to different tasks or activities. So first you create a schedule, use tools like Calendar, Trello, or even Simple Planner. I recommend you to use Notion. So Notion is a powerful tool for making you more productive, and I use it for my daily life. Second, block your time. Allocate dedicated time slots for coding, meeting, breaks, learning, and any other activities. Be realistic about how long tasks will take. Third, stick to your schedule. Try to adhere to your schedule as closely as possible, but also be flexible to adjust when necessary. For example, you might block out 9 to 11 a.m. for deep work, 11 to 12 for meetings, and 1 to 30 p.m. for learning new skills or do coding session. This structure helps you to stay focused and minimizes distractions. Avoiding multitasking is another key aspect of effective time management. While it might seem like you're getting more done, multitasking often leads to mistakes and lower quality work. Focus on one task at a time by concentrating on one task until it's completed or until you've reached a predefined milestone. As Graham Bell said, concentrate all your thoughts, open the work at hand, the sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. So just use this quote, is powerful. Second, use the Pomodoro technique. This involves working in focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, but it's up to you. Make it as you can. But you should follow it by a short break. It helps maintain concentration and prevents burnout. So single tasking ensures you're giving your full attention to the task at hand, leading to better results and more satisfying work experience. Finally, don't forget to take breaks and prioritize self-care. Overworking can lead to burnout, which drastically reduces productivity and creativity. So first, you should schedule regular breaks. Use techniques like Pomodoro for that. Second, prioritize health. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and exercising regularly. A healthy body fuels a productive mind. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as taking care of your tasks. A well-rested, healthy developer is far more effective than one running on fumes. Finally, to wrap up, effective time management as a developer involves setting clear priorities, scheduling your time, avoiding multitasking, and taking care of yourself. Implementing these strategies can help you stay organized, meet your goals, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UTCode for more tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments how you manage your time as a developer. Until next time, keep coding and stay productive. Your friend, UTCode.